How to use Miracle-Gro on newly seeded grass. Getting grass seed to grow on your lawn can be a frustrating experience, one at which many people have failed. One way of increasing your chances of success is to fertilize, and Miracle-Gro is a popular brand of lawn fertilizer that many gardeners trust. A Michigan State University study found that water-based Miracle-Gro works the best on grass. You can use Miracle-Gro on new grass seed or on bare patches in your lawn. Miracle-Gro also makes grass seed, as well as a product called Patch Magic to fill in bare patches on your lawn. Things you'll need: Miracle-Gro water-soluble fertilizer, garden sprayer, garden hose, rake, Miracle-Gro Patch Magic. Add Miracle-Gro to your garden sprayer, and attach the garden sprayer to your garden hose. Carefully read the directions on the Miracle-Gro packaging so you know exactly how much to use and how to use it. Spray the lawn with the fertilizer/water until the grass is watered thoroughly. This may mean spraying once, waiting for the water to drain and then spraying again. Grass seed should be completely moistened but not floating in water. Repeat every few days or at least once a week until grass begins to grow. After your grass begins to get thick, cut your fertilizing back to once a week or once every 2 weeks. When grass is growing well, cut back fertilizing to once a month. Rake the dirt in any bare patches to 1/4 inch deep. Add Miracle-Gro Patch Magic to the bare patches, following package directions. Water with Miracle-Gro fertilizer.